This is a question that I think everybody has to ask themselves. Why didn't he raise any eyebrows at the SEC when he was buying all this stuff when everybody was losing money in crypto? What was the secret sauce that allowed him to make so much money when the whole crypto universe is getting toasted?
So this significant story, don't know where it goes, don't know where it ends, but the questions are endless now. The collapse of FTX. Investors have filed a class action lawsuit against the founder, Sam Bankman-Fried, and celebrity endorsers like Tom Brady and Steph Curry and Larry David and many others. The lawsuit seeks repayment of $11 billion in damages for misleading customers. With me now, Edwin Garrison, plaintiff in that lawsuit out of Oklahoma. His attorney is Adam Moskowitz. And good morning to you, gentlemen, and thank you for your time today. Edwin, I'm going to lead with this headline from 90 minutes ago. The new CEO of FTX was quoted as saying that he has never seen such a complete failure of corporate controls. I know you're not the attorney, but what do you need to prove in this case, do you believe now, sir?
That they were misleading us and encouraging people to get into their system and invest in the company.
Edwin, how much money did you invest? How much money do you think you lost?
Enough.
Simply put?
Yeah, Bill, we're putting that together right now on the damages.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, hang on one second, Adam. Yeah, I'm just trying to... Edwin, do you care to share with our audience? Was it a substantial amount of your net worth? Or how would you characterize it?
It was some savings I had.
Adam, I imagine there are many others like Edwin. Make your case. How do you win?
There's thousands of them, Bill, and it's an emergency and it's a real crisis here in Miami. There's over $30 billion which have been lost by investors in Voyager, in FTX, in all the other cryptocurrencies that are going bankrupt. And how these cases are organized from the very beginning is going to be crucial, because it could take decades to go through billions of dollars in the bankruptcy court and in the litigation courts. But we can't let that happen. There's got to be an organized fashion for all of these victims who relied upon these celebrities, who never disclosed from any of the commercials that they were getting personal motivational stock and money from going to people like Ed and convincing them that this is a safe and simple investment.
Adam,
so we need to organize it now.
Yeah, understand that, and you're going after some big names. One more question for you, and I'm sorry we're short on time here. Got a lot going on in Washington, D.C. Adam, it's my understanding that anyone who invested in FTX, there was no paper trail. There was nowhere to log on and find out what your investment was doing. Is that not some part of the responsibility of the investor, him or herself?
Well, it could be, but it doesn't matter when what you're doing is a fraud. This was just a house of cards that was waiting to fall apart. The Voyager crypto is the same. It was a house of cards waiting to fall apart. So we're going to prove that the people like Mark Cuban that told these investors, trust us. We've done our due diligence. We've checked it out. It's safe investments. They were not telling the truth.
Adam, thank you for your time. Edwin, I'm sorry about your loss. Good luck to you, sir, and thank you for your time today.
Thank you.
All right, you bet. Thank you, gentlemen.